What my people, in case you meet me for the first time, I go by the name Msiban, so the comedy son of comedy is Royal Talkative online Zadi, our year on entertainment crib, and I'm with
the Magalicious #1 babe.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know, say election not they come, and people don't even they talk online, say this, that. Some people are articulate, some are obedient, some are emilocon. So anybody, this is democracy, you can support anybody you want. This is democracy, we get freedom of speech, freedom of supporting anybody you want. So election when they come, just get your PVC and vote right. Vote right. I know they tell you say me vote for anybody, just vote. Anybody with your mind, vote for them. And if you know say some other party will say you don't want vote for, they carry something can't give you. If they carry rice come today, collect her. If they carry rice come tomorrow, no collect her. Tell them they bring pepper. If they carry pepper come tomorrow, tell them the next tomorrow they bring salt. Ingredient not the complete to cook rice be that. So once for the date to vote don't come, vote right. Vote right. Now we will talk that. So now people don't attack Banky W online because Banky W is a PDP member. He do like 4 years ago we say he go for, I don't forget that, but he go for one post in Eti-Osa. Now people can say because he post some online say in the support articulate. So person with the PDP may not support him in member. Person will say they be member together. So with a free word, support anybody if you are obedient on the day when they come. And no one know if you are Emilio come. It's your turn. Go and when is your turn to vote that they vote right. That's it. So now people call the attack and say why go they do like that? Say why go they support Atiku? Don't you know all these old men they are this? No, you know concern us. You don't know, we don't know the right person. We fit for the position. We go make this country go. We go carry us go our destination. We don't know. Now only God knows. So when did they come? Make sure so you get a PVC. Most of the people will say that they shout a lie. That's the party is not. They don't get voters card. So you don't have right to talk if you don't have voters card. So, madam, what do you have to say?
Based on the table we will do concerning the Banky W matter. The thing I will talk be say now election period, election season, election time, now we don't enter. My own be say don't sell your votes. Please be wise in all you're doing. Like it concern you who you want vote for. It concern you who you feel say they right for you, but do not sell your vote. Get your PVC ready. Vote wisely and vote for whomever you want to. And do not attack any party. Don't go attack if they vote for you. Maybe now you'll be the next president. And if Bamiso decide to support me, don't go attack him. Please don't attack any party for any reason. Let's do this and do it wisely. I am begging all Nigerians, and I'm using this medium an opportunity to say, please, if you don't start attack, they distract within they come, and you go put fear for people's mind. And person where you want to, you want make them vote for them. How you want make them come outside come vote for them. So be wise in all you're doing, and let's do it wisely and right at the right time.
Normally, so Banky W, you can vote anybody, it's your choice. Anybody attacking you, just forget about that one. So because he posted online and it said it was a pleasure to welcome our presidential candidate, His Excellency Atiku. You know Atiku now, Atiku Abubakar for PDP is a PDP candidate for the presidential election. He said they welcomed generational candidate Jandor to Eti-Osa last week as we attended the Lagos Chamber of Commerce Economic Forum and a meeting to rally the Lagos PDP troops toward the 2023 election. So we're waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, get your PVC. Don't sell your food. Don't sell your food. If they carry money, can give you, collect them. Once that they reach, don't be saying you get out for mine to vote for me. And this guy come, Magnificent can't carry a can't give you. You collect and then later can't change your mind.
So they share rice, collect. But make sure that
collect.
you want to vote for me.
vote.
Vote for me.
Take
Vote wisely.
Just vote wisely.
Your
That's
PVC
it.
should
Collect
be
money.
ready.
If they bring money, collect her. Get your PVC ready. This is the time, the right time to change everything with the happen.
Bam.
Because this reason we are in prison. I'm a prisoner. You are a prisoner too.
I beg bros, vote for who you dey
So vote right.
support
Vote
for.
Get your
Sister,
PVC.
vote for who you dey support for.
I believe this country is going to be a better place for us.
Amen.
So ladies and gentlemen, let me for no cause call. They're going to give you feedback very soon. Just stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
China man.
Stay tuned. We'll see you on Entertainment Creep.
Thank you.